Thank you to my Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to Xavier Zamora, Victor Vegas, Valimir Brockovich, Troy Smothers, and Safe Munaz for being higher level patrons. You can join that for as little as $1 a month. There's a link down in the description. Also, thank you to my YouTube members. You can click the join button down below this video if you'd like to join that. Please keep in mind that I am not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research. I highly encourage you guys to go do your own research. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into this. I'm talking more about alpha nodes. And in this particular video, there are two really big key takeaways I want you to have. I'm going to read through the article, but number one is that they're creating an NFT marketplace where you can actually be able to have cross-chain functionality. So what I mean by that is that if you wanted to buy something off of Ethereum, well, you could buy the NFT off the Ethereum side, or you could buy it off of the Binance Smart Chain side, or you name a different one of these blockchains that are out there, right? So number one, that's absolutely phenomenal that they're adding in that capability. The second thing is the Alpha token, Alpha Nodes token, is something that can be used as a form of payment on their exchange, on this marketplace, I should rather say. Or you can use another cryptocurrency. But if you use another cryptocurrency, it ends up getting converted over into alpha tokens on the back end when you do the transaction anyways. So that still contributes regardless to the alpha nodes market. And guess what? That's going to affect the alpha nodes price. So very interesting. Let's go ahead and dive on into the article now. This is again through the medium.com article. I will provide a link in the description down below. So it says built in-house, utilizing alpha, multi-chain, future support of other projects built by alphas designed for alphas, disrupting the NFT space. The Alpha Nodes team always strives to locate fundamental issues in existing protocols and see how we can develop solutions. The concept of an NFT marketplace to achieve better utility for DeFi applications like NAAS protocols is a fantastic assumption, but the implementation has fallen short of the mark. Our alpha leaders have been working diligently to create the solutions needed to enable the NFT marketplace of our dreams, and we believe we've accomplished just that. First, let's break down why other NFT marketplaces are flawed. Existing marketplace flaws. Currently, there are only a handful of marketplaces across all chains, with just one or two that cater to a specific chain. Why is that? Imagine if you had a multi-chain OpenSea. Most of the newer NFT marketplaces being conceived in the DeFi space have a heavy focus on increased buy, sell, listing taxes for the NFTs, and what seems to be a way to ensure immediate profitability. This just leads us to believe the team is relying on their fees rather than volume to drive success to their project, not the best practice for holders or a long-term vision. NFTs can only be purchased with the mother chain currency, i.e. Ethereum, AVAX, Phantom, etc. This is perfectly okay for traditional NFT collections focused around art. But when NFTs are focused on utility, especially in the DeFi space, this poses an undercutting issue I mentioned in our previous Medium article. Unfortunately, this is a limit of the marketplaces themselves and has forced DeFi applications to cater their NFT tokenomics around this limitation. We will remove this and unlock the full potential of natively purchased and sold NFTs. In-house NFT marketplaces are just copy and paste forks. There are a number of token projects out there with an NFT marketplace built into their DApp, but the functionality is very simple. List, bid, sell, or purchase. That's all. There is no extra utility to these marketplaces, and your NFTs will never move if they're locked within a specific protocol. Alpha's market's features. Alpha Market will solve all of the above issues. Alpha Market will launch primarily on the Avalanche network at the launch of our Phase 2 and NAAS protocol. We will be catering to our Snowy chain first, but the functionality to be multi-chain is already built in. It's already there, guys. Do you want an NFT marketplace with OpenSea functionality, but you can press a little button on the top right that says switch to Phantom? We do too. So we're making it happen. We want a marketplace that looks and feels the same no matter what chain you're operating on. At launch, the marketplace will be within the Alpha Nodes domain. However, as we move forward with our bigger plans, the Alpha Market will have its own custom standalone domain. How can this get better? Well, we're also working on ways to bridge your NFTs from one chain to another, something that hasn't been done before on a large scale. This is a full multi-chain ecosystem future baby. Now, you're probably thinking, with all of this crazy innovative tech, you're probably going to charge an arm and a leg for trading on your multi-chain marketplace, right? No. We believe that what we are building is going to disrupt the entire NFT space on every single chain. And we're playing the long game. We don't need to boost our pockets with ridiculous trading fees. No, we're going for that sweet volume. Our exact trading fees have yet to be set, but we can promise you they will be consistent with or better than the biggest player out there, OpenSea. Now, here's where things get really juicy and exciting for you as an alpha holder. Alpha Marketplace will not use AVAX, Ethereum, Phantom, etc. as its native token for trading NFTs. Since we will be a multi-chain platform, we need our own unique utility token to be used as the medium of exchange. That token will be your beloved Alpha token that's already in the wallets of over 1,750 beautiful holders. Alpha will be used to buy and sell your NFTs, and the fees will be collected in Alpha. So wait, the NFT marketplace generates fees in Alpha? I wonder where those fees go. Back to holders, of course. All of our marketplace fees will be split up between holders, liquidity pool, treasury, and the team. The largest portion of these fees will be returned to holders by being added to our node rewards pool. As our alpha market volume grows, we will be able to substantially fill up our rewards pool with fees generated from marketplace action rather than fees generated by node creation. Sustainability. In essence, all of our holders are partial equity owners in this NFT marketplace and get to share in the profits directly proportional to the amount of tokens held. This is where our long-term utility really comes into play. Our entire NFT marketplace is custom built from the ground up by some of the best software engineers and developers in the space. Alpha Nodes has bootstrapped our liquidity to get to the point where we are now able to hire on senior engineers to really take this to the next level. We have already begun and have added now 2 full-time engineers with additional part-timers as well. These developers are personally known by our lead developer and co-founder, Bad Shogun. We don't talk to talk, we walk the walk. We're currently working with the biggest names in the NFT space to make sure this marketplace is more than a success. It will be a game changer. Here's a very early design prototype provided by one of our community members and embodies a lot of the design philosophy we'll be using for the marketplace. And they show you the graphic image here. This is an early prototype design render. Any images or verbiage shown are not representative of any Alpha Nodes NFTs to be released. Please treat them as placeholders. Credit Free Spirit 9. Will other projects be listed on Alpha Market? Yes, we are building the marketplace of our dreams and we don't want to hog it to ourselves. The functionality we are designing is meant to be utilized by other protocols so they can fully unlock the potential of their own NFTs. Our fees will be competitive, if not the best around, and the additional volume will reward Alpha holders significantly. Alpha will still be used as the medium for fees generated on the platform, but we know many protocols would benefit from being able to list their NFTs for purchase or sale with their own native token. We are building out the marketplace to allow for this, enabling other projects to piggyback off of our technology, and in exchange, Alpha and Alpha holders will benefit from the trading and listing fees. We are already in chats with multiple projects interested in our early design, and we will be opening up a section of our website to enable requests to be listed on Alpha Marketplace. All collections projects will be vetted by the Alpha team to ensure no bad actors will list with us. How will the purchase process work? One big question I'm sure many of you have is, can I use my other currencies like AVAX, Ethereum, Phantom, etc. that I have stored in my wallet to purchase NFTs? The answer is yes. The marketplace will be run with alpha, but that doesn't mean we want to make you go to a decentralized exchange, swap for alpha, just to purchase an NFT on the marketplace. If you choose to purchase an NFT with another currency, your transaction will automatically exchange into alpha and then purchase the NFT for you. No extra hassle on the user's end. Any trading fees will be visually present to show your total purchase cost or sale amount prior to you executing the transaction. Well, what's next? Their next medium will be dropping in the next 48 to 72 hours and will be all about their multi-chain plans and how they plan to achieve what they say that they're going to achieve. Stay tuned, stay alpha. So awesome. I covered this Medium article. I covered the last one. I'm an investor into alpha nodes myself. I made a video earlier today where I talked about all my different plays and how I'm making passively right now over $17,000 a month, right? Depending on the market. Obviously, if the market goes up or down, things could obviously change. But one of those holdings that I have that I mentioned in that video is alpha nodes. You guys can go check out that video for more if you want, or you check out the other video I talked about, the Medium article, or just my general coverage on alpha nodes. They have a Discord channel, guys. They have a Twitter account. They've got lots of social media presence there, so you can go and reach out to other members of their community. They have moderators, things like that. So great resource for you guys for sure. I will provide a link to the Alpha Nodes website. So if you want to go and look through that, you guys can. That'll be in the description. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments down below. I think this is incredible, and I'm very excited to see how it will progressively move forward. I do have referral links in the description. If you want to get free crypto or free stock, feel free to check those out. If you guys are new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. It definitely helps us out with the YouTube search algorithm. Click the bell icon so you know whenever we go live. God bless, and I will see you in the next episode.